Hello, I'm Russell, and in this video I'd like to introduce you to the Compliance Companion and show you how it can make managing an ISO project simpler, clearer, and much less time-consuming. If you're working towards ISO certification for the first time, the process can feel daunting. You may have been given a list of requirements, a collection of templates, and perhaps a separate checklist showing what needs to be completed. You might then be storing working documents in one folder, completed versions somewhere else, and audit evidence across different emails, shared drives, or even people's computers. Before long, it becomes difficult to answer some very basic questions. What have we completed? What still needs to be done? Where is the latest version of a document? And if an auditor asks to see the evidence tomorrow, how quickly could we find it? The Compliance Companion is designed to solve these problems. The Compliance Companion is an online portal that brings the main parts of your ISO implementation together in one organized workspace. Rather than simply giving you a folder full of templates and leaving you to work out what to do next, the portal provides a clear route through the process. When you log in, the home page explains the main stages. Start with a document template, save your completed documents, prepare your audit evidence, and use the additional guidance and support whenever you need it. This means you don't have to remember the whole process or create your own system for managing it. The portal shows you where to begin and where to go next. The dashboard gives you access to the portal's main areas. From here, you can open your document templates, manage completed documents, prepare external audit evidence, browse the resource library, find answers to common questions, and contact us for support. Imagine, for example, that you're responsible for implementing ISO 9001 while also doing your normal day-to-day job. Without a central system, you might need to maintain your own spreadsheet, manually update the status of every document, and regularly check several folders to see what has been finished. With a Compliance Companion, those activities are connected. The document you're working on, its current status, the completed version, and the evidence needed for an audit can all be managed through the same portal. That reduces duplication and makes it much easier to pick up where you left off. Your workspace gives you a simple overview of the standards assigned to your organization and the templates available for those standards. It shows how many documents are completed, how many are in progress, how many haven't been started, and whether any have been marked as not applicable. Your overall completion percentage is calculated automatically. This is particularly useful if several people are contributing to the project, or if the implementation takes place over a number of months. Instead of holding a meeting or reviewing a spreadsheet, just to understand the current position, you can open the workspace and see your progress immediately. The document templates area contains the structured documents included with your ISO package. Each template includes a short explanation of its purpose, a reference number, and a downloadable file. You can update this status as you work, add progress notes, and upload the finished document against the correct requirement. Some templates also include practical examples and optional AI tips to help you create a first draft more efficiently. The important difference is that the portal doesn't simply provide a blank document. It helps you understand why the document is needed, keeps it connected to the relevant ISO requirement, and gives you somewhere to store the completed result. As your implementation develops, the external audit evidence area helps you prepare for certification or surveillance audits. Evidence is organized into clearly labeled folders. Each folder explains what an auditor may expect to see and identifies the portal templates already connected to that requirement. For example, if an auditor wants to see how your organization has considered its internal and external context, the relevant context analysis documents are brought together under the appropriate evidence folder. Because documents completed elsewhere in the portal are recognized here, you don't need to upload the same file repeatedly. You can also add supporting items such as screenshots, meeting records, or other company evidence. This can save a considerable amount of time before an audit when organizations would otherwise be searching through folders and emails, trying to assemble everything at the last minute.